21st सेंचुरी का ये दौर सबसे अभूतपूर्व बदलावों का दौर है। आज ग्लोबल ऑर्डर में हम एक नए शिफ्ट को विटनेस कर रहे हैं।
India is witnessing a quiet but powerful transformation in science, technology, and innovation under the leadership of Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi. And in 2025, it stood out for tangible, transformative outcomes. A landmark milestone of 2025 was the approval and rollout of the 1 lakh rupees crore Research, Development and Innovation Fund. A transformative step to catalyze private sector R&D in sunrise, strategic and deep tech sectors. Implemented through a special purpose fund under the Anusandhan National Research Foundation, the RDI scheme focuses in sunrise sectors such as energy, deep tech including quantum, robotics, space, AI, biotechnology and biomanufacturing, digital economy for technologies central to Atmanirbharta. Operationalized. In 2024, ANRF launched flagship initiatives including the Prime Minister Early Career Research Grant, Mahiri Mission, AI for Science and Engineering, the Medtech Mission, and multiple fellowship and excellence programs, laying a strong foundation for India's long-term scientific leadership. The National Quantum Mission has emerged as a flagship initiative to position India as a global leader in quantum technologies. 4 thematic hubs at IISc Bangalore, IIT Madras with CDOT, IIT Bombay, and IIT Delhi were operationalized in year 2025, bringing together 152 researchers, 43 institutions, and 17 project teams across 17 states and 2 union territories. To foster innovation and entrepreneurship, dedicated startup guidelines were issued, supporting 8 quantum startups, including QUNU Labs, QPIAI, and Prenishk. Academic capacity was strengthened through the introduction of B.Tech and M.Tech programs in quantum technologies in collaboration with AICTE. Establishment of 3 national-level central fabrication facilities at IIT Delhi, IISc Bangalore, IIT Bombay, and IIT Kanpur, with an investment of approximately 720 crore rupees, accessible to academia, industry, and startups alike, was also approved in this year. Key technological breakthroughs include development of a 500-kilometer quantum key distribution network, among the longest in the world. Launch of Q-Shield, a quantum security platform. Development of a 64-qubit fault-tolerant quantum processor. India's first indigenous quantum diamond microscope and portable magnetometer. High-precision diode lasers for quantum communication and computing. DST continued to advance frontier and mission mode technologies through large-scale national programs. The National Mission on Interdisciplinary Cyber-Physical Systems enabled translational research, startup incubation, and product development. Key achievements include BharatJan, India's first multimodal large language model for Indian languages, and the upgradation of 4 technology innovation hubs into technology translation research parks in healthcare, robotics and AI, cyber security, and mining. Under the National Supercomputing Mission, implemented jointly with Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology, India created 39 petaflops of high-performance computing capacity across 37 institutions, increasingly based on indigenous hardware and software, such as Rudra servers, empowering researchers to address complex scientific and societal challenges. The National Geospatial Mission, announced in the 2025-26 Union Budget, marks a major step towards modernizing India's spatial data infrastructure for improved governance. In energy and climate innovation, DST launched pilot-scale projects in coal gasification, methanol, and DME, commissioned bioenergy-based effluent treatment plants, and established 5 carbon capture and utilization test beds in the cement sector, creating a first-of-its-kind industrial decarbonization research cluster. Innovation outreach expanded to Tier 2 and Tier 3 cities through NIDI, while SEED, SCCENT and tribal STI hubs and women-exclusive programs strengthened social impact and inclusion. Through Inspire and Inspire Manak, DST continued to nurture scientific talent, reaching lakhs of students across the country, while programs like Wise Kiran and Vigyan Jyoti are bringing gender parity at different levels of the scientific ecosystem. DST continues to strengthen bilateral and multilateral scientific partnerships and expand India's footprint in global mega-science initiatives, including projects like LIGO. The Department of Science and Technology's autonomous institutes are driving impactful research across areas. The Sri Chitra Tirunal Institute for Medical Sciences and Technology has advanced healthcare innovation with a titanium nitride coated coronary stent for coronary artery disease treatment and an open isothermal amplification kit for early pulmonary tuberculosis diagnosis. The Center for Nano and Soft Matter Sciences has developed next-generation smart windows that are self-charging, color-responsive, and equipped with integrated energy storage, supporting energy-efficient buildings. The Indian Institute of Astrophysics has fabricated a 1.44-meter mirror segment for the International 30-meter telescope, marking a major contribution to global astronomy. The Jawaharlal Nehru Center for Advanced Scientific Research has developed fast-charging, long-life sodium-ion batteries, enabling affordable and sustainable energy storage, while SN Bose National Center for Basic Sciences has developed an AI-driven tool to predict cancer hallmark. DST's programs are building S&T infrastructure throughout the country to bring access to high-end research. A major shift in 2025 was the introduction of policy reforms to enhance the ease of innovation and ease of doing research. DST, along with 12 other ministries' departments, organized first edition of Emerging Science, Technology and Innovation Conclave, ESTIC, bringing together eminent researchers, academics, industry and startups from India and abroad. Today, India is not just participating in global science, it is shaping it with the country's scientific strength is reflected on the global stage. In 2025, India ranks 38th in the Global Innovation Index and 3rd worldwide in research publications. India is now shifting from building systems to delivering impact at scale, with science and technology at the forefront. With the last decade laying the foundation, 2026 marks the moment when India's scientific ambition meets national transformation toward Atmanirbharta and a Viksit Bharat at 2047.